Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video. It's Lindsay here with another unboxing for you. I am back from vacation right now, but I did record this prior, so I had a video ready to go. I apologize for the disruption with no videos on Monday or the prior Thursday, but I will be back and more consistent going forward. I don't have anything else planned now until August, I think. So I should have a good stretch where I've got 2 videos a week. If you're new here, my name's Lindsay. I'm a part-time reseller here on YouTube and also Poshmark and The Real, and I normally bring videos Mondays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern of mystery unboxings. And that's what I have for you tonight. I do have a Thredup fun box to open. I do enjoy these. There's always a mystery on what's going to be in there. My last one was really good. I actually just sold that, I forget the brand even, but it was like a theft-proof purse that was missing the strap. That sold for me full price on Poshmark for $55. So that alone really paid for the whole box, but it was a great box in general with well over 10 pieces. This one is much lighter than that one, but it doesn't mean that there's not anything, really good in here. If you see anything in the video you would like to purchase, just please send me an email. I do need your mailing address if you're a first-time customer, and I'll get you out a PayPal invoice. This box was ordered at the end of April, and they do run $34 plus tax and $9.99 shipping, and you usually get around 10 items, but the last one I opened I think had around 20. So let's go ahead and take a first look. It looks to be quite random so far, but I am seeing kind of the normal suspects. Some sunglasses, you usually get some hair accessories. We got a bra or something like that. So let me take a thumbnail and then we'll get started. All right, so we do have a bra right off the bat. This is like a faux leather. And I'm not sure exactly how the strap goes here. Let's see. I think it's just a little bit twisted. So it is a faux leather and like a rose gold on the hardware. And it is brand new with the tag. This is Sauvage Fenty, Rihanna's brand. And let's see if it says what style this is. It definitely has some underwire and just lightly padded. And it does have the 4 bra hooks on the back. This is a size 40H. And yeah, I think that's about all I would tell you about this one. So it looks like it's kind of like a demi cup, and then it does have the ruffles at the top. So very nice, and it is brand new. If anybody would like this one in the 40H, that will be $12. We have a pair of sunglasses here, just plastic frames. Now these ones do have a brand. It says Mastiva 9, handmade in France, and they're the Lily. So I have not heard of that brand before, but handmade in Italy sounds good. And the lenses look to be in good condition. I think they are a little bit stretched out, but they could be adjusted at your eye doctor. I'm gonna see if I can get these on with the headband. So they are fitting just a little bit loose, but they are cute. They do have a yellow tint to the frames or to the lenses, but I'm not really seeing a lot of scratching, so I'm excited to look that up. They do have the tortoiseshell sides. So really cute. And I am wearing this headband again tonight. I forgot to mention it in the designer video, but this is a upcycled men's Fendi tie that was put on this headband. I got this one, and I also have a Versace one that I'll wear another time. But I thought they were really fun. And Fendi is definitely one of my favorite designer brands. We do have some earrings. We have the set of stud earrings that just come on this like leather patch. And I don't see any branding or anything, but they are super cute. We'll do $3 on those if anybody likes the stud earrings. And we do have a Halloween costume. Where's Waldo? And it looks like I am seeing the sunglasses and the hat in there. So it possibly was tried on, but it's supposed to include a hat, the sunglasses, and just the shirt. So it does have all the components in there. So I'm just gonna leave it in the package. It is a men's large, extra large. So it is the largest size. It fits up to 5'11" and 220 pounds. So that is nice. We'll do $12 on that one as well, if anybody likes the costume. And we do have a headband, and this is a Lily Sadawi. Oh my. This one's really pretty. It is a velvet gray with the pearls, and it has the top knot. And it's in great condition. You do have the Lily mark right there. There is not like a Lily mark on the outside, I guess, because all of the pearls. But it is so soft. That is probably going to be our banger, but we'll see. We do have some hats. We have a hat that says books, kind of retro looking. This is by the Darling Effect. So I'm going to look up that brand in case it's anything good, but I've never heard of that. You do have the mesh top, and looks to be brand new. I don't see any stains on it. So that was hat number one. And then we have this really cute velvet cap in, it's like a crushed velvet in a pink. And it does have a Velcro back. And this one does not have any branding. Let's do $5 on that one. That's really pretty. And then our last hat is a Love Your Melon. So this is a good brand. It's got the leather patch there in brown, and it's a gray canvas hat. And you have the adjustable back. There might be a little bit of wear on that slider. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. It is made in the USA. So I'm gonna look up that brand, but this looks brand new as well. So I'll put prices for the two I need to look up, and then I'll put a bundle deal if you want all the hats. That was just the bag it came in. And ooh, we have something else for actually two good things. We have these Spanx arm tights. So that's interesting. I have never heard of arm tights before. These are medium and color brandy wine. And they are MSRP 30. They're a wardrobe game changer. And it shows different ways that you could wear these. So, you know, I guess if you want to have your arms covered under a dress, that would be a nice option for you. And they are medium. So it just says to shop by your shirt size. So it doesn't say like what size a medium would fit. But you know, probably like an 8-10, I would think, for a medium. So we'll do $12 on those. That's nice. And then our final item, which is also, oh no, there's more in here. But we do have a little banger here, a Tumi pouch. And I'm not sure exactly what this is yet. It says my favorite things. So this is a nice travel pouch. Really, you could use it for anything. I don't think it's supposed to be like a jewelry organizer or anything. It doesn't have any compartments in this main zip, but a nice packing organizer. If you want to put like your underwear in there or something. And then on the back, you also have a large pocket that goes all the way down there. So there are two separate pockets. They are separated. So you have the long pocket here and then the pocket here. And then you have the two-way zipper with one on the top and one on the bottom. So this is a great brand. I will have to look that one up. And if it's for a particular use, I will let you know. It does have the snap closure. And this looks to be in great condition. I really don't see any issues with it. It's just a black nylon. So that is fantastic. And then, yeah, there's a couple more pieces in here. We have a pair of J. Crew ankle socks. And these are white with polka dots, $14.50 on the retail. And it looks like they have like tennis balls on them or something like that. So we'll just do $3 on the J. Crew. And then in here, we may have a corset. It says it's a size triple XL, so 3X. And no, this is like some kind of shapewear, I guess. But it does have the kind of corseting style. So it looks like it's shorts, and then that would just go over your stomach, the corset area. So that's a 3X. I don't see any branding on it. It just kind of looks like something you'd get from Amazon. So we'll just do $5 on the shapewear. And I'm just gonna put that back in the bag here so I don't get cat hair on it. Phoenix is taking a little bit of a nap now. He was stalking a groundhog. There's a couple groundhogs next door that are been out. So we have that. And then our last item is a little watch keychain. And I believe this has a brand. SME, possibly. I'll have to get a better look at that, but it is two-tone. It's silver tone, and then it has a gold tone little clasp. So you could hook that on a bag. There is some, it could have originally been gold tone because there is some tone loss on the hook. So you can see some of the silver coming through. And then there's a brand on the back. So I will look at that up, and I'm also going to get a battery in it, make sure it works, but it's super cute. You know, even if you clip that to the inside of your bag. So that's a great item. So this was another really, really nice fun box. I didn't get as many items, but there were some nice quality pieces in this one. We had the little watch keychain, which I'll leave out for the battery. We did have the shapewear unbranded. We had the J. Crew socks. So that was 3. Number 4, we had the Tumi. Number 4, we had the arm tights by Spanx. Number 5, we had the 3 hats. They usually count that as 1. 6, we had the sunglasses that were branded. I'm just gonna put them back in the bag here. 8, we had the Lily Sadawi headband. 9, we had the stud earrings. 10, we had the Where's Waldo costume. And then our final item was the Sauvage Fenty bra that was new with tags. So my favorite pieces were, unless there's something amazing I find out about the hats, were definitely the headband and the Tumi organizer. But it was a great box. So very happy with this one. I do try to pick up the fun box when they're available. I do enjoy these, and they've been pretty good lately. Let me know if you had a favorite piece or if you've ordered one lately and how they've been for you. I will open another one very soon. It is usually items that are really easy to list, and a quick edit for me on the video too, which is a bonus. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Keep an eye out for Monday, where I'll be opening a jewelry box. And I guess we're probably leading up to the 4th by the time this video airs. So I hope everybody has a wonderful 4th of July. And I'll be back on Monday with some jewelry. I did get in a Thrift World 5-pound box and a Goodwill box 5 pounds. So I'll probably do one of those. But take care, and I'll see you on my next one.